Thermomix is slowly making its way into America, but it's very popular in Australia and in Europe. And I have a cookie dough subscription that goes with Thermomix. And today we're making peanut butter, healthy peanut butter. It's super easy. From this, I'm already logged into cookie dough, and all the recipes in cookie dough is tested by chefs. And it really tells me step by step how much ingredients I need. I have peanuts that I got from Sprouts, I think, and it tells me that I need 7 ounces of roasted salted peanuts. So I added a little bit more. I took it out, so it's 7 ounce. I hit next. It's telling me to put a lid on it, and you can also set like a shopping list on Thermomix. Now if you're interested in Thermomix, you're probably gonna go to Amazon. No, don't do that, because on Amazon there are like fake supplies for Thermomix. So for Thermomix, if you want one, it's on their website there, where you can find all the original tools and supplies. It does everything. Like, it even makes soup, adding the coconut oil, 1/2 ounce. And this is also healthier for dogs. I give my dog, trick my dog into letting me cut his nails and give him a bath with peanut butter. But some peanut butter have like a chemical in it that's toxic for dogs, so I'd rather just make it from scratch. Also better for humans probably. So just coconut oil and peanuts. That is it. It is done. That was it. Super fast. Thermomix also whips up cream. It can roast. There's just so much it does that I have not tried, but it even makes smoothies. I actually have a smoothie video, but this was super easy. And Cookie Dough has a ton of really good recipes, but they do have a yearly subscription. But look how perfect it came out. It blended up everything, and it also has a self-cleaning mode, which I did use, obviously. Super easy and very healthy. Well, healthier than the store-bought ones.